Team comprising of UCM, Amuko and CCSK is meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other central leaders in connection with the framework agreement. Student protest state government's failure to provide appointment order to Deputy Director TRI Manipur. Government to introduce new scheme offering medical assistance for BPL families on 1st January next year. The only solid waste management plant in Manipur at Lamdeng Khumant is all set to generate electricity by mid-January next year. And Neroka FC met home debut memorable by beating Chennai City FC by 2-1. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. And 8-member team comprising representatives of United Committee Manipur (UCM), All Manipur United Club Organization (AMUKO), and Committee of Civil Society Kangleipak (CCSK) will be leaving Imphal to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other central leaders to discuss regarding the current issues in the state regarding the framework agreement and bring certain resolution within this year. The combined team will be led by President of UCM, Johnson Elangbam, President of the AMUKO, PH Devant, and Vice President of CCSK, Jitrendra Ningomba. Addressing media person at UCM office in Lamphel-Pat, President of UCM, Johnson Elangbam, stated that even if it is said that the framework agreement is signed between the Government of India and the Indonesian IM would not harm the territorial integrity of the state, there are apprehensions among the people of the state regarding some kind of hidden agenda behind the agreement. He said the Prime Minister will be apprised that the territorial integrity of the state cannot be compromised at any cost and that the central government must be appeased the Indonesian IM at the cost of Manipur's territorial boundary. He said representatives of UCM, AMUKO and CCSK will take into account the concerns of the people of the state in their discussions. He warned that the people in the state will vehemently protest if the outcome of the framework agreement go against their interests.
Lalu ama madu khaki pinena ba tawbada asuk leminari akoi masel marakta imunai mutabi aba thabuk thoksul singa se khudak ta lepna naba aduga yanaba lambi amada punna akoi stakeholder mayam se imthang nariba leibak singa se noina phaminna rakanda madugi santaina naba konaba adugumba mission amani mayam punamakta akoina su appeal tawjari koi chatliba khungchat ase akoina chachagadori ba sisu miyamna phawriba ihul sing ithil mayam do adudagi akoi samna ama phawba akoi madugi kaino du ngangna akoi madu compromise tawduna miyamna hek pamadu akoi chap chana central leadership asiga chap chana akoi ngangna gani akoi wafam thamgani masidai jra karigumba centralna hirama matada masidagi nathaira ganaba honarapa matamda madugi afaba result leiroi haibase makoi da handak mayek sengna amuka hanna koi khanganaba adugumba mission namani ana
President of AMUKO PH Devan stated that the collective concerns of Manipur as well as other northeastern states will be discussed at a meeting with the Prime Minister and other central leaders. He further said if the central government works against the aspirations of the state, a decision will be taken soon for a collective protest by a combined civil organization of the northeastern states. He further questioned as to how the final resolution of the framework agreement can be attained without taking the consent of the people of the state and stated that any move that might harm the territorial integrity of the state will be firmly dealt with. The team which will leave Imphal tomorrow will also meet Home Minister Rajnath Singh, Congress President Rahul Gandhi and other political leaders. It may be mentioned that the leaders of the UMC, AMUKO and CCSK have made the Indo-Naga peace talk interlocutor R.N. Ravi on September 10 and October 10, 2015.
Arunachal Pradesh ki adagi Assam ki aduga Manipur ki lairi mayam sing punna punjalaganda akhoi kari tawba yage habsidi akhoi compulsory akhoi adugi di khanarakane khanaraga su lairabani hojik aduna madugi next step lakini nangallaba matamdagi akhoi laiba Manipur haiba masagi maromdom lecture dana lairiba potsi kahenganu haibni aduna masidai da kahenanabagi thoksil adagi thaurang tawraktagadi akhoi madudai da mamangda thokriba mayam singsi automatically madudi thoalakpaneba makhoi gi thausil singduna arna hojiksu akhoi gi haibam thokpa singsi yamna democratic oina yamna phajaba mongda akhoi haigani ado maduda akhoi gi wafam singsi tadragadi akhoi gi lobam thokpa step tudi akhoi hojiki oina di lauthokcharoi aduga madugi matungda laurakadaba step tudi akhoi manipur gi aroiba akhoi gi kanoma iho amada akhoi mai onjalakani.
Students stormed the Chief Minister's bungalow in protest against the government's failure to provide appointment order to Deputy Director Tribal Research Institute, Manipur today. Police personnel stationed near Chief Minister bungalow confronted and stopped the irate students from entering the Chief Minister's premises and later arrested 8 students, including President of All Manipur Student Union. It may be mentioned MSU has been protesting and has even burned effigy of Chief Minister Nongthombam Birent against the non-issuance of appointment letter to Deputy Director Tribal Research Institute Manipur, who was already selected by MPSC after due process and whose police verification has also been done. President of MSU Manjit Sarangtem, Coordination Networking Secretary Laistram Athoba and Assistant Secretary Bizando were among the arrested students. Irate students protested against the students and demanded their release. However, a large number of police personnel dispersed the students. Meanwhile, Vice President of All Manipur Student Union, Laistram Peter, has warned of launching an intense agitation if the government failed to release its president and other arrested students today unconditionally. Addressing media person at the student union's office at DM College, Peter stated that the student body stormed the Chief Minister's bungalow in protest against the government's failure to issue an appointment order to the Deputy Director TRI Manipur, who was rightfully selected by the MPSC for the post. He strongly condemned the police personnel's high-handedness against the students and expressed its anguish over the police manhandling the female students in the absence of the women police.
President Amadi Mahiro Singbu Fazan Bamadi Police Singna Yam Luzada Mong the Satra Singbu Puba Saiba Amadi Nupi Police Personnel Yaudana Nupi Singbu Tatita Wena Puba Ngakti Sapana Basi Emsuna Kandem Tawi Satragi Luchingba Sing Paraga Kongjangasi Namda Ganina Kaliba Gomen Asi Yam Laibak Tibani Hena Choba Kongjang invite Tawani TRI Deputy Director Gi Matangasida Achumba Pitri Fauba Emsuna Hiramamta Yasnaba Leroy Hena Akanba Mahiro Lang Pogauba Chief
Minister Nongthombam Birent disclosed that his government is planning to introduce a new healthcare scheme, Haksel Gi Tengbang Manipur Health Protection Scheme, on 1st January 2018. He made the announcement on the occasion of Miyam Ginumit held at Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Birent attended as many as 620 complaints and personally met nearly 1,500 people from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Addressing media person, Biren said that the scheme would provide cashless benefit up to 2 lakh rupees per year per BPL or AAY family on floater basis. He stated that 5 companies have participated in the bidding process and 1 company has been selected for providing the health insurance scheme to the poor and needy people of the state. The selected company, in collaboration with the panchayats and local clubs, would conduct a joint survey for identifying the real and needy people. He lamented that there were manipulations in issuing BPL cards in the past, so a fresh survey is being needed to identify the real or needy beneficiaries. He said if the government rely on the existing BPL or AAY card holder, then many real or needy people would be left out and might not get the benefits of the scheme. Chief Minister said that many came for assistance in medical treatment, financial assistance and seeking livelihood on Miyamgi Numit. He said that a new scheme for a person with disability, CMG Sotarabasingi Tingbang, for improving health sector in the state was launched recently. However, many persons with disability came here today due to lack of proper awareness about the scheme. He said that officials of Social Welfare Department have been deputed to assist the needy people and forms are being provided to the needy people. Stating the importance of neurosurgery department at Jenims, Biren said that the neurosurgery department would be open soon. He said that the required infrastructure and machinery have been already bought and 6 nurses are being given special hand-on training to assist the doctors in the neurosurgery department. The Chief Minister termed the recent first-ever acid attack in the state as crimes against human and assured that his government would deal the matter seriously. He further assured that his government would provide free medical treatment to the victim and also provide livelihood to the victim's family. Biren stated that in order to curb such incidents in future, the case would be brought before the first-track court, which was set up for crimes against women. The Chief Minister also stated that awareness regarding the organ transplant from dead bodies would be started soon in the state to save lives and sought for people's support.
Dead body kanagumba kariyagumba accident da oiro naraga oiro khudakta he leigidaba organs in function aikoina leigidrabadu dagi lokthoga mi kaya gi life kan be ab tai metropolitan cities so da hobe ana koi Manipur da masi haununabagi narang season hospital gi kari gi moyama la ambani Britain dagi mi singju lakani yaragadi ai na launch to Numitu Tarikundu Assembly Hogan Numit Oirbanina idea or state Q and Simas Horan and public sing the Sugum Bashida Jukra Corporation Pihaningi.
Chief Minister Nongtamam Biren released a journalist entitled Pizigi Money Laktagi based on welfare of differently able persons. The journal written by Dr. Tokchom Chandramani in Manipuri and English was released at 10 this morning in connection with Chief Minister's Gi Miyamgi Numit. A district-level quiz contest in connection with National Voters' Day ahead of its nationwide observance on January 25, 2018 will be held for students of class 9 to 12 in educational institutions located in Kampokpi district at the mini-conference hall of DC's office, Kampokpi, on December 18, 2017 at 11 a.m. The only solid waste management plant in Manipur located at Lamdeng Kumant is all set to generate electricity by mid-January next year. On the other hand, people have been facing difficulties after the solid waste management plant stopped taking solid waste depots for every household 5 days ago. The solid waste, which have no dumping ground, have now been used to fill up the low-lying area of Chauyaima Kainahalt Aided School in front of Poropat DC complex. Sources said that the waste were used after it was agreed upon between Imphal Municipal Corporation and the club of the locality. After the agreement, the truck loaded with solid waste were unloaded at the area. When a team of the Impact News went to solid waste management plant at Lamdeng to inquire about their non-acceptance of solid waste, operation manager of the plant, R.K. Madhurijit, said that the solid waste have been piling out at the plant as large number of trucks loaded with waste were drawn in at the plant before the Sangai Festival 2017. However, the capacity of the plant is only 100 tons of solid waste per day. Hence, they stopped taking the solid waste from December 11th and said that they cannot take the solid waste for over 20 days more. Madhurzit said that there is a turbine at Kolkata which can generate electricity at the plant, and engineers from Taiwan will come to Manipur in early January next year to set it up. He asserted that engineers from innovative EcoCare Thermotech Systems Limited Ahmedabad will be here in Manipur tomorrow to start making layouts and set up pyrolysis unit to produce not only gasifier but also low crude oils.
अखोई कंपनी सिगा अखोई महूट डिपार्टमेंट का अखोई MOU द 60 टन्स पर डे की कैपेसिटी से अखोइना लौबा हैना नोमगी को मतम की मतुंगिना तंगाई फदवा लेबदगी अखोइ सुदुम ओवर ओइरगा सु खोइदुम लौइ लौबदे अदुगु मसिगी लॉन्ग टर्म सॉल्यूशन अमा पिरके हाइ तारगदि हुजिक लेरिबा 100 टन्स की कैपेसिटी सिदगी अनारा सिगा समानाबा 100 टन अमागा मु सातारगदि 200 टन्स की कैपेसिटी ओइ तारगदि इम्फाल दगी थोगलेबा डोमेस्टिक वेस्टिंग मार्केट वेस्टिंग मसि खुदिमक से खोइना लौबंगमबगी कैपेसिटी दो अदु ओइबे याइना खल IMC की ओइबा मोखोगी दम साइड अमा परमानेंट दम साइड अमा सु लेबम थोइ.
Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayantikumar asserted that media plays a pivotal role in educating the people about the flagship schemes of the government. Addressing as chief guest at the inaugural function of the Regional Orientation Workshop on Mission Indradhanush, Mission Parivar Vikas, Tuberculosis and Leprosy at Manipur Press Club today, Jayantikumar asserted that without the participation of media in giving awareness to the public regarding the welfare schemes introduced by the government, there will be no progress. He maintained that media's active participation is essential in educating the public. He maintained that the authorities and public should be in touch in order to avail the benefits of such schemes to the eligible beneficiaries. The concerned authorities and staff should be sincere and diligent in discharging their duties. Taking part at the function, Regional Director Field and Publicity, Minister of Information and Broadcasting Manipur and Nagaland, IIS, Mangzangam Thotang, said that such programs are being organized all across the country with a view to connect the far-flung areas of the country. He appealed the public to cooperate with the government in such initiatives. A technical session was also held on the occasion. Song and Drama Division under INB presented a theme song as part of the event. Speaker Yumnam Khamchan has asserted that peace must prevail first to bring about development in Moreh, which is inhabited by different communities from over the India. Khamchan made the statement at the 13th Foundation Day observance of the Imphal Moreh Tata DI Owners and Drivers Welfare Association today. MLA S. Rajan, SP Technopol Dr. S. Ibomcha, Captain of the 11th AR Sandeep and representatives of many organizations attended the observance. Taking advantage of the occasion, SP Dr. S. Ibomcha advised the drivers not to load illegal items. Captain Sandeep also assured that X-ray machines will be installed at AR checkposts by mid of next year. Bishnupur Municipal Council organized a district-level singing competition as part of the Swachh Bharat Mission Cleanliness Drive at Kiamba Ningsing Sangland in Bishnupur district. Taking part at the program, Director of Municipal Area Housing Urban Development Manipur and Git Kumar said, cleanliness competitions are held at different districts of the state to give awareness regarding cleanliness to public and sought for people's cooperation. Chairperson of Municipal Council Bishnupur took part at the event. Prizes were distributed to the winners of the competition. Wangjing Tekcham Plaikai FUC Club and Mairapai Bistis a sit-in against the harassment meted out to a BDA personnel who was arrested and later released and innocent by a combined team of Thobal District Police Commando and 26 Assam Rifles. The VDA personnel is identified as Tekcham Prakras from Wangjing Tekcham Plaikai. He is said to be currently serving in the mess section of Wangbal Commando Post, Thobal District Police. The protesters drew the attention of the concerned authority not to let such incident occur in future. All Manipur United Disabled Organization, AMUDO, presented an appreciation certificate to Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren today. The appreciation certificate was given for initiating various schemes for the disabled under Chief Minister Gi Sotharaba Singh Tengbang. AMUDO team led by its chairman president the certificate to Chief Minister Biren. AMUDO expressed hope that the scheme would be fully implemented. Manipur State Commission for Women (MSCW) will organize a state-level competition on legal right of the women, comprising of written and multiple choice type questions on January 10, 2018. MSCW in a press release said interested students pursuing graduation can collect application from its office at Lamphel-Pad. Notice Forum for International Solidarity, NEFIS, has condemned the firing of bullets on tea garden workers in Numaligarh area of Golapgarh district in Assam. It said that the firing took place after the workers who had been denied wages gathered at the owner's bungalow on December 12 to praise their pending wages. NEFIS in a press release condemned the indifference of the state government towards the plight of the tea workers and demanded an immediate probe to look into their working condition in Assam. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we have reports on Lamzingba Management Service Private Limited's effort to enable charter flight service in Manipur. We'll be back with the details. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Lamzingba Management Service Private Limited, one of the leading microfinance companies in the state, is making all-out efforts to enable a charter flight service in Manipur. The company signed a memorandum as part of its effort with Flying Birds Aviation, a Mumbai-based company. The memorandum was signed between the CEO of Flying Birds Aviation Mumbai, Captain Ashish Kumar, and Managing Director of Lamzingba Management Service Private Limited, Sanasam Jackie, at the office of Lamzingba Management Service Private Limited in Rims Road today. Addressing media person, Sanasam Jackie said efforts are on to get approval for the charter flight service from the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Ministry of Defence. If approved, arrangements are underway for launching the service from the old airfield in Kwerengay. The charter intends to provide passenger and ambulance service in Manipur and northeast states of India. Jackie said connectivity with neighboring countries next to Manipur is also in the pipeline. The state government will also be pressurized to assist in enabling the service. Jackie further disclosed that plans are also in the pipeline to establish an aviation, hospitality and tourism training institute in Manipur under Flying Birds Aviation Mumbai.
Flying Bird Aviation Company, one of the most reputed aviation industry koi India gi oriba sida akoina dealing tawduna agreement ama yanaba pore madudi hariba company sigi makhada akoina Sky Trip Academy kauba a venture of Flying Bird Aviation Mumbai na amadi Lamzingba company ga punna aviation and hospitality training institute amaga Flying Bird.
Addressing media person, CEO of Flying Birds Aviation Mumbai, Captain Ashish Kumar, stated that a proposal has been submitted to the government of India to enable charter flight service in the northeastern India. He said if the government of India approves and the government of Manipur extend its support, there will be daily service from Imphal to Guwahati, Itanagar, Aizawl, Silchar, etc. at a much subsidized rates.
The state government of Manipur and the other northeastern states supports us with some sort of subsidy. We are interested to start a regional airline in northeast which will have more connectivity between all the important airports and also some small airstrips which is not under operations right now. So even those airstrips would have a better connectivity and of course probably at least 40% cheaper price than what airlines are charging.
Phu Hoba audition was held today as part of the second Maitai Chanu contest at Ibudau Chingnu Marjing Mandap Haingang. The second beauty contest of the Meitei community, Meitei Chanu contest, will be held on 23rd of this month at Baigachandra Open Air Theatre, organized by Lining Thausanamei Sanapung LSSP. The participants contested in the traditional norms of cooking, culinary delights of Manipur, sieving of rice grains, etc. during the Phu Hoba audition, the fourth round of the contest today. Mopping of the courtyard contest as the fifth round of the contest will be held tomorrow at the courtyard of Shrine of the Ibudo Sanamahi Kolu Tugai Farm Wangoi. Speaking at the sidelines of the audition, General Secretary of LSSP, Longja Alepa, said that the contest is organized to protect and let the youth know about the culture and traditions of the Meiteis, which is gradually becoming extinct. 35 contestants are taking part in the contest.
Khunai Lonchida, Aikoina Aribaga, Anobaga, Tuna Tina, Sadminaba, Aduga, Huziki Mirolna, Aikoina Matamamada, if I pushing Fu Horambagi, Sak Tomagi, Sanabi Kaukselakba, Yankoki, Value Lairaktaba, Sing Kappa Heraktaba, Sing Kaiba Heraktaba, Sing Kapadi Heraga, Kaivadi Heraktaba. Aduna Sak Tomuzi, Huzik, Akoina Kukarda, Aduga, rice cooker, Singbada, Yam, Arrival Metadamda, Torambadu, if I pushing the Sanaramadu, Akoi, Taudramakshu, Sumaina Tonga, Mihabi Kangnabagi, Taudangamak, Yam in the Voina, Nasigi Tormasi Bangtok Sabani.
Handicap Development HD Foundation Manipur stated that aids and appliances such as smart can, smartphone, braille kit will be distributed to visually impaired persons on December 17 at its office at Sagolbal Terapukri Mapal. HD Foundation in a press release also said that the beneficiaries who had done assessment at Tagil Blind School on February 23, 2016 can also collect their appropriate aids and appliances by producing an identity proof card. Human Rights Law Network in a press release stated that for the first time in the state, the High Court of Manipur has directed the state government to provide a compensation of 7 lakh rupees to a victim family of a fake encounter. It may be mentioned that the court in earlier 5 lakh rupees were given in such cases. However, in a slight shift from its previous ruling, considering the evidences regarding their specific case, the High Court bench comprising of Acting Chief Justice and Kwatishore and Justice K.H. Nobin has awarded the petitioner 7 lakh rupees as compensation. It may be recalled that the victim, Hawaijamt Amuzau Meitei from Sekmaijing Mamang Klaikai Thobalt, was killed in a fake encounter by 28 Assam Rifle on March 18, 2010. Father of the deceased filed a writ petition to the High Court of Manipur through Human Rights Law Network. Now news from the world of sports. Neroka FC's Lalit Thapa, Bernie Kalont and Ngangom Ronald's turning performances memorized more than 27,000 crowd at Kumant Lampak Men's Stadium in the first ever home match where Neroka FC beat Chennai City FC by 2-1. In an I-League match played this afternoon, both the teams had a tough pace with each other. Chennai City FC gave their best amidst the huge crowd cheering for the home team. However, Neroka FC's player played skillfully against their opponent. Neroka FC's goalkeeper Lalit Thapa defended Chennai City FC's penalty kick in the 17th minute of the match. While in the 16th minute, when Chennai City FC striker Murliro Rivairo tried to snatch the ball coming towards the D box, Neroka FC's tall defender Gobel pulled his jersey, and for which a referee penalty kick went in favor of Chennai City FC. Striker Murilo struck the ball, however, Neroka FC's experienced goalkeeper Lalit Thapa managed to defend it. Right from the beginning of the match, Neroka FC played mostly on the left midfield, with Neroka FC striker Subhas having the ball in his capture most of the time, due to which Chennai City FC's defender put a mark on Subhas and he was closely monitored. In the 24th minute, Neroka FC netted its first goal by Bernie Kalont and led the match by a 1 goal and no goal from Chennai City FC till the end of the first half. While in the second half, Chennai City FC's Charles Anandrast was replaced by Mashur Sharif and made a strong attack on Neroka FC. The ball was with Chennai FC for major part in the second half, with the team captain and striker Susai Ras taking a major role in the midfield. In the 75th minute, Chennai City FC's midfielder Pradeep Mohandra's kick was taken by striker Jean Michael Josim skillfully away from Neroka FC's defender and netted a goal from the team. Neroka FC's Pritam was replaced by Shusil and Subhas by Ronald and continued playing hard to win the match. In the 90th minute, the corner kick from Neroka FC's Sarant received by Neroka FC's Ariane Klein Williams was converted into a winning goal for Neroka FC by Ngangom Ronald. A team of 34 Taekwondo players representing Manipur, including 6 women, left for Kolkata to participate in the Open National Taekwondo Championship 2017 today. The players were flagged off from the Ima Pantobi Community Hall in Gongba. Winners at the Open National Taekwondo Championship 2017 will then represent India in the second TIA Open International Taekwondo Championship 2017 to be held in Khudiram Anushilan Kendra, Kolkata. It may be mentioned that the players representing Manipur were the excellent performers in the 32nd state-level Taekwondo Championship.
Manipur gi achouba mingchet poraktuna sanaroi singchi asi akoi yam thona phana amadi akoi gi mai gi sanagadoriba akoi gi lenga sing adu maithiba piram laga Manipur gi jet poraktuna amadi masagi jet amadi akoi gi asumlaba figure asi akoi na Manipur da achouba mai pakpa du porokna bai hana ngasi akoi sanaroi singda akoina atum thona phaba se hana president gi site gi aina pizeri.
1-month PRO football coaching organized by Sainik School Imphal All Boys Football Club kick off today. The Under-14 Boys and Girls Training Program is being organized by the club in association with German Football Academy at Naharon Lamjing Sanglent, Nalamsangt ground in Sagolbal Tera Kuraizam Playrak. Around 100 players are taking part in the training camp. Taking part in the event, Director YAS Pravin stated that as part of the measure to upgrade football in the state, various renowned football clubs such as Arsenal Football Club England and Tata Trust of India are making arrangements to organize training camps at different parts of the state. Former coach of FC Bergent Munich, Benjamin Delt, will lead the 1-month training camp. Speaking to Impact News at the sidelines of the inaugural event, Coach Benjamin Delt expressed happiness at the interest shown by youngsters of the state towards football and stated that he will train the players in various disciplines so that they have self-confidence, coordination, and also impart techniques of football. Renowned football players and coaches of the state attended the inaugural event.
Football coaching Angang suti lakpu matamda aibidi winter vacation matamda angang singsi football gi lam sida khajiktang ai hono ba aibidi makhoi de experience khara phanghono ba yam ten ma oina coaching ase pangthok chawni angang singda football aibisi Manipur da tungi asa oina yam sengna angang singsi even international level ba purakpa yana ba pangthok chawni.
I have a passion for football and this is fantastic. My favorite things are technical stuff, coordination, cognitive training. We train some skills for sure, dribble, scoring, play passes. Maybe we used to see it before, we make a bit of coordination and this is very important for the kids, for the self-confidence with the ball. You know what I mean? The most kids look on the ball and have not the self-confidence and what we want to train and the concentration on the ground.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. 8-member team comprising of UCM, Amuko and CCSK is meeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other central leaders in connection with the framework agreement. Students protest state government's failure to provide appointment order to Deputy Director TRI Manipur. Government to introduce new scheme offering medical assistance for BPL families on 1st January next year. The only solid waste management plant in Manipur at Lamdeng Kumant is all set to generate electricity by mid-January next year. And Neroka FC met home debut memorable by beating Chennai City FC by 2-1.